Hello guys, today I want to talk about evolution of front-end frameworks. I will compare three different front-end frameworks, which is React, Angular and Vue.js. So my name is Kazimot Miras. Let's start. For firstly, I select three different applications from each framework. So for React, it's Facebook. It is the most famous. It is the most famous web application. Uh, is It is built by using React. So for Angular, it's Google Workspace. Means it is a lot of applications, web applications, includes Google Workspace, Gmail, Google Drive, Google Docs, so on. So for Vue.js, it is also famous, also popular web application, which is chess.com. So I did some performance analysis for memory and for rendering speed. Of course, it depends how many different message I get or I send. So for memory, it is not absolutely correct test, but we can do some conclusions from it. So for memory, Facebook takes this count of bits, this count of memory. For Angular, for Gmail, it takes this memory. For Vue, it is. But for speed, it is I think it is the closest true speed test, because I take about the same kilobytes and rendering speeds. For document type, document and taking this memory, rendering speed is it take this time. For Angular, it takes for even bigger memory takes less speed, less time, so the high speed. For Vue, for chess.com, it takes about two time higher memory, but also a good speed. So I did some ranking by rendering speed. First one is Vue.js, golden one. Second one is Angular, and in the last rank is the React. So developer productivity. I did some conclusions by analysis, by searching some research, searching from browsers. I do some conclusions for each framework, some conclusions for learning curve. For React, it is the framework which is hard for beginners but comfortable for experienced developers. Angular for them who have experience with any framework. So for example, if I did some work with Vue.js, I can easily do it also in Angular, but it has reliance on TypeScript, so developers also need to learn it, and it will take some time to learn this different language. Vue.js, it is the easiest framework to learn and accessible to developer of all skills, for from a junior to senior or just learner developer. So tooling support, I take some of them. For React, it's React App, Reactive Tools, and Redux for stage management. For Angular, this is a powerful CLI and TypeScript, of course, and RxJS. For Vue, there is CLI tool, Vue CLI, managing dependencies and optimizing production builds. Vue.js integrates seamlessly with popular tools and libraries such as Vue Router. Vue Router is the helpful. It gives us some more efficiently with working web applications. It is also a good point for Vue.js. So, community and ecosystem. React has a mature ecosystem with a wide range of libraries, components, and third-party integrations available through npm and other package managers. There is some of them. Angular boasts a mature ecosystem with official libraries, modules, and extensions developed and maintained by the Angular team and the broader community. Angular's ecosystem includes tools like Angular Material, Angular Fire, and Angular Universal. For Vue, there is a Vuetify, Bootstrap Vue, and I have no idea what is it, but it is also a good. I forgot what is it, but I remember is it also a good extension, good plugin for work with Vue. So, for conclusion, all of them has a good documentation that is extensive, well organized, and supplemented beginner-friendly, offering step-by-step guides, tutorials, and API references. I mean, they all have good documentation. So, all of them has a good ecosystem, good supports, good libraries. So let's shift to next step. Okay. So to compare their community size, I do it for two different social media for programmers. I mean, it is a GitHub and Stack Overflow. For React, there is 4.6 million results, which is a very big result. So for Angular, it is a 1.2 million results, about 4 times less than React. Vue.js also have the smallest result is a 929k results. So active on Stack Overflow. For React, this number of questions. For Angular, this, and for Vue.js, this kind of questions exist. So I do ranking with size of community and size of materials. For React, React takes golden, Angular second one, and Vue.js the last one, which is the absolutely negative for this ranking. Okay, so evaluation and recommendation. In conclusion, I want to show synthesis of their strengths and weakness. For React, their strengths: React has high developer productivity with a large and active community, which we can look at there and understand. So, extensive documentation and a rich ecosystem of libraries and tools. Strong ecosystem support with numerous third-party libraries and tools, making it suitable for a wide range of application and use cases. Weakness: rapid evolution, and each time they update their framework, so it may pose some challenges for maintaining compatibility and upgrading application, requiring continuous learning and adaptation. For example, I have a application with Vue CLI 2, and they did some big updates, and in my application maybe appear some problems. So it is a weakness. For Angular, the strengths: comprehensive framework with built-in features like dependency injection, RxJS for reactive programming, and robust tooling support. Strong corporate backing from Google, and widespread adaptation in enterprise environments. Google ready. So, weakness: steep learning curve for beginners, requiring time and effort to master Angular concepts and patterns. I pointed that they have a strong relative with TypeScript, so it is maybe hard to learn. It will take many time. So Vue.js strengths balance between simplicity and functionality, making it easy for developers to learn and adopt. Clear and concise documentation, gentle learning curve, and excellent tooling support with Vue.CLI and Vue dev tools. Weaknesses: fewer mature resources and libraries compared to React and Angular, although the ecosystem is expanding rapidly. So we can see it there. So Vue has the smallest community, so it is the weakness. It is the bad, but their Vue community is growing up there. I mean, they will be the they will be bigger. Okay, so next step. For conclusion, React, Angular, and Vue.js each offer unique strengths and weaknesses in terms of performance, developer productivity, and ecosystem support. Ultimately, the choice between React, Angular, and Vue.js depends on project requirements, team expertise, and long-term sustainability goals. Each framework offers its own set of advantages and consideration, and selecting the right one can significantly impact the success and scalability of front-end development projects. So that's all, guys. Thank you for watching. I hope it will be helpful for you. So goodbye.